can't be all that you are.
Hi everyone, welcome to This Era, the show that talks about the many sides of me. I'm your host Kevin, and this episode is slightly special, slightly emotional, all around just me venting. Let's get right into it. Hi guys. Now I have a struggle in me putting my emotions out there like this, or at least on the podcast. I think I am an open person when it comes to communicating my emotions to my support system, my family, my friends, you know, the people that I care about and the people that care about me. And for that, I'm very grateful that I'm capable of doing that I'm able to do that. But this episode is me talking about some stuff. Who knows how long this episode will be, but you know, here we are. Now, I was in a relationship, in a dating sort of relationship, not anything serious, or at least it was, and then we took a step back. I think I've been through a few stuff. People leaving me, if that makes sense. And for those who are listening who have felt that way, know that you're not alone. It's hard. I may not have experienced the same stuff you have. I may have not experienced a lot than most people. My phone is being annoying. Let me put my phone on silent, people. I love how I ruin the moment. But I've been hurt. And I'm still hurting right now. At this recording, I'm hurting a lot. When this is out, who knows where I would be. Or you know what? It's not that who knows where I would be. I know where I would be. I will be happy. Or I am happy, but I will be happier. I will be at peace. The anxieties that I have right now, the overthinking, the way that I am right now will not be. It will just be another moment in the past. And it's interesting because I can now connect these emotions to my previous relationship that I had. And where now I look at it and I can look at it. I can look at it with a different lens, a new set of eyes, a new set of perspective, a new set of values, of morals, of ideas. I have changed. That shows me that I have changed. That shows me that I'm capable of changing, and I'm capable of moving on. I'm waiting for that to happen here. And the only person that can do that is me. It's funny because I see my Polaroid right here next to me, some Polaroids above me here of my family. Family is the most important to me. Makes me happy. It's making me smile right now just looking at them. And your picture isn't up there. I'm sort of happy I didn't take pictures of you with my Polaroid. my ex gave me his Polaroids. He would take me pictures. He would take pictures of me. Constantly, all the time, would take pictures of me with his Polaroid. And at the very end, he gave it to me. All the Polaroids. A stack of them. I didn't want to be the one giving you the stack. I burned them. The Polaroids that I was given by my ex, I burned them. I didn't want to throw them away in the trash knowing that they're out there somewhere. I wanted to see them burn. Cease to exist. No longer. Turned into ash. Burnt plastic, the smoke. Smelled bad. But I watched it disappear. And that helped me a lot. I moved on. Quickly. I like to think that I moved on faster than others. Healthy coping mechanisms. Healthy habits. I'm happy that I stick to my shit. And that small things like this didn't affect me in a worse scale. That I was able to move on in a healthy way. No substances, no partying, no drinking, no whatever. Not a lot of people can do that. Or a lot of people can, but different circumstances. Maybe worse. I feel like I have lost a lot of people. Or either I have outgrown them or they have outgrown me. I miss them sometimes. It's confusing. But I miss them. Now with this relationship that I was in, it wasn't that long. It was amazing because I really like this person. Who knows how I'll feel, later. But right now I do. This person is a really nice person. And I thought that there was going to be something there. I thought that I don't know. I thought that we would have lived together. I thought that we would have gone on vacations, spend money together. Doesn't that make any sense? Just exist. But we did exist together. But not for that long. You hurt me. You hurt me because you didn't know what you want. And it feels like you wrapped a whole lie around me. And here I am, hurt again, feeling the same feelings. And I tell myself, wasn't that long. I tell myself that this is nothing. This will forever be engraved in my brain, forever be engraved in my memories. I know that one day I'm going to look back at this and maybe laugh, cry maybe, who knows. And who knows, maybe in the future we would be something else together. I don't know. The future does some crazy shit to people. Crazy things happen. I miss those moments though. Sometimes I miss those same moments with all of my other relationships. I just remember them. I don't cling on to them, but I remember them. How fun they were, how happy. The things that I learned. I'm scared though that this experience, you not wanting to be with me, has left a scar of some sort in my heart. My heart aches. My heart feels pain. It won't feel pain for a long time, but it's there. But I know that there's a mark now. I feel like I now will tread carefully on the next one. Take it very slow on the next one. Be more present on the next one. Give a little less in the beginning on the next one. Still be authentic on the next one. Still be me on the next one. Communicate even better on the next one. The next one will be, who knows how the next one will be. And I'm sure that there will be a next one because I just feel it. I know that there is. I know that I don't want to be alone. I think I need to be alone for a little. I think I need to grow my independence because I think I'm being codependent sometimes. I was scared that this would have been another lesson, and here it is, another lesson. Now, I like to think back, with those Polaroids. As I watched them burn, I felt the feelings that I had disappear. It's like this emotional burden was attached to them. Even though it wasn't significant. Maybe it was subconsciously. I don't know. But as I watched them burn, I guess it's like psychological weight that was lifted off of me. Psychological weight. That's what you are right now. Psychological weight. Little by little, as I do my daily routine, I let go of that weight slowly until there's literally no more on my heart. And it becomes easier. I need to let the world know that I'm okay. I will be okay. If you're going through something, you're not alone. You will be okay. And I want you to repeat this. I want you to repeat this for me. All right. Repeat this after me. And say this daily, often, whatever. Here it goes. I love myself first. I love myself most. And I love myself always. One more time. I love myself first. I love myself most. And I love myself always. All right. And I'm going to leave you with this one. You will never be too much for someone who can't get enough of you. Thanks for listening. Catch you on the next one.
This can be all that you are.